Welcome back to the Global Vibes channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics right now: how to make money with artificial intelligence, AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or just curious about AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. What's an AI startup? Imagine you have a brilliant idea that solves a big problem using AI. You turn that idea into a business. That's an AI startup. How do you start? 1. Identify a problem. Find a real-world problem that AI can solve. For example, creating a chatbot for customer service or an AI tool for diagnosing medical conditions. 2. Develop your solution. Work on creating an AI product or service. This could be an app, a software tool, or a device. 3. Launch and sell. Once your product is ready, start marketing it and selling it to customers. Example, think about a company that uses AI to predict stock market trends. They offer investment advice to clients based on those predictions. Challenges: it's not easy. You need a good understanding of AI and the industry you're targeting. Plus, you'll need some initial money to get started. Freelancing with AI skills. What's freelancing? Freelancing means offering your skills to businesses or individuals on a project basis. How do you start? 1. Sign up on platforms. Join websites like Upwork or Freelancer. 2. Create a profile. Show off your AI skills and any projects you've worked on. 3. Apply for jobs. Look for AI-related jobs like data analysis or building AI models. Example, you might help an online retailer build a recommendation system that suggests products to their customers. Challenges: there's a lot of competition. Plus, you need to keep updating your skills to stay ahead. What's AI in e-commerce? Using AI to make your online store better and increase sales. How do you start? 1. Personalize recommendations. Use AI tools to suggest products to customers based on their browsing history. 2. Dynamic pricing. Adjust prices based on demand and competition using AI. 3. Analyze customer behavior. Use AI to understand how customers shop and improve your marketing strategies. Example, an online clothing store uses AI to recommend outfits based on what a customer has previously viewed or bought. Challenges: you need some technical know-how to integrate AI tools into your website. There might also be an initial cost for these tools. 4. Content creation with AI. What's content creation with AI? Using AI to help you create content for blogs, social media, and marketing. How do you start? 1. Use AI tools. Tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT can help you write articles, social media posts, or marketing copy. 2. Generate ideas. Let AI help you brainstorm topics and create outlines. 3. Optimize content. Use AI to make sure your content is SEO-friendly and engaging. Example, a blogger uses AI to write daily posts, saving time and keeping the quality high. Challenges: you need to check the quality of the content to make sure it's accurate and relevant. Also, understanding SEO and marketing strategies is crucial. What's a trading algorithm? An AI program that buys and sells stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial assets based on market data. How do you start? 1. Develop your algorithm. Create AI algorithms that analyze market data and make trading decisions. 2. Test and refine. Make sure your algorithms work well by testing them extensively. 3. Trade. Use your algorithms to trade on financial markets and potentially earn profits. Example, an algorithm that buys and sells stocks based on real-time market trends and predictions. Challenges: trading is risky. You need deep knowledge of both AI and financial markets. Tips to overcome challenges. 1. Stay updated. Keep learning about the latest in AI through online courses and industry news. 2. Network. Join AI communities to connect with other professionals and find opportunities. 3. Start small. Begin with small projects to build your skills and confidence. 4. Leverage tools. Use available AI tools to minimize development time and costs. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. AI is an exciting field with endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Global Vibes channel for more awesome content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.